In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll move from a simple Google search to the Wix dashboard and start a brand new site, keeping everything clear and efficient. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official Wix result. It usually appears near the top and reads Wix.com, Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. Before you click, take a quick look at the address below the title. You want to see a Wix.com link so you know you're heading to the official site. This small check helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get the full, secure Wix experience. Click that Wix.com result to go to the homepage. Here, Wix introduces its drag-and-drop website builder, templates, and tools for blogs, online stores, and more. The page may highlight different features based on your region. If anything looks unfamiliar, don't worry. Our goal right now is simply to reach the workspace where we can start a new project. From here, navigate to your Wix account dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land at manage.wix.com, where your existing sites and account tools live. If you're asked to sign in, continue with your usual credentials and proceed to the dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Create New Site button. It's typically near the top or in a prominent spot on the website's page. Click Create New Site. That click opens the site creation flow. Depending on the latest Wix layout, you may be asked what kind of site you're building, such as a portfolio, a blog, or an online store, or whether you'd like to start from a designer-made template or use a guided setup. The choices you see here are just different starting points that all lead to a fully editable site later. If you're unsure, don't stress. You can always change templates or settings as you go. And that's it for this guide. You searched for Wix on Google, opened the official Wix.com homepage, and used the dashboard at manage.wix.com to begin a new site. As you continue, consider bookmarking your dashboard for quick access and work in short sessions, saving frequently so you can experiment without losing changes. In future steps, you'll customize pages, add content, and publish. But for now, you've completed the essentials and you're ready to build.